guys, it's me Sarkesh and welcome back to new Roblox. So today we are playing Piggy Roleplay City. Hey Jugwat Sabah.
Hello.
Why is Sigi the wall, bro? I'm right here.
Yes.
The monkey's right here. The monkey's me.
Oh. Hey. Oh, run.
Bro, I just dressed up. Go here. You can. There's lots of skins here. You can try it. See, Robbie red design. See, if you here. Come on here. Here. Come here. Follow the monkey. Follow the monkey.
Yes.
Try this. See, if you stand here, you can dress it up. Yep. If you have to do like this. Okay. Now I'm right here. Now, if you press the kill button, see, just do a jump scare. Jump.
Ooh.
Now you do. Press this button. It's just a jump scare. It's just jump scare. Look at this. I'm an alligator. Look at this. I'm an alligator. Don't ask questions, bro. Don't ask questions.
Okay.
Look at this. Huh? Where are you? Where are let me see. Where is that man? Oh my gosh, where is that? Oh my god, where did you get that siren head piggy, bro? That is siren head piggy. I don't know where is that. Oh, there is the siren head piggy. Whoa. There's the siren head piggy. Whoa. Wow. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm siren head piggy. What's this? Monster. Robo Mousey. Mousey is in a wheelchair.
I could not move anywhere.
Where are you? Bro. I'm not here, bro. I'm in a wheelchair. I'm in a wheelchair. Okay. Bro. Wow, look at me, bro. Look at me. I'm so awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. What is... These are the old Piggy skins. Piggy, Clowny, Pony. Cyborg Bunny. Wow. Oh, yours too. Remastered. Wow. I'm in a wheelchair.
Okay.
Look at back of you. I'm in a wheelchair. See, I can go very fast.
Yeah.
If you click this button, you can go very fast. See? I told you. Okay? Come on. Prison piggy. Okay, I love the Ellie skin. Just follow me. Where you are stuck. Let me help you. I'm right here. Let me help you. Just reset. Just reset. No, leave. Reset. Okay, I will also reset. Let me also reset. Huh? Did you get reset? Oh, I'm right here. Follow me. Click the sprint option. Sprint. Then you can go faster. Come on, I want to show you something.
Where are you?
I'm right. I'm back of you. I'm back of you. I'm back of you.
Yeah, we met.
Come on here. Come on here. Follow me. Follow me. You can go even faster. Now look at this. This is gonna be so funny. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wait. Oh, did he go there, bro? Not there, bro. Not there. Not there, bro. Okay, come on. I want to show you more. Come on here. I want to show you more. Follow me.
I don't know why.
I can show you. Follow me. Follow me. Okay, let me control you and go. Okay, let me go. Let me control you. Okay, you're there. You can't. Okay, let me go here. Wait there. I'm here. This is gonna be so funny. Okay, follow me. Now follow me. This is okay. See now. You can't go in here. So go straight. You didn't get the badge. I got the badge. So can I help you to get the badge?
Yes, please.
Okay, let me. I'm really. Oh, okay. Let me help you. I'm coming, bro. Really, I'm coming, bro. Wait. Oh, here. Come on, follow me. You can really spawn motorcycles and cars here. Okay, let me respawn motorcycles. Okay, regening piggy cars. Okay, where are you? You need Robux for that. We don't have Robux. You need to pay. Come on. Okay, let me control you. Okay, I'm really right there. Really right there. Yep, I'm here. Come on here. I spawned the motorcycles. Come on, sit back of me. Just jump out. You can sit back of me.
Okay.
See? You said. Okay, let me take you to the badge. Okay, just right here. Wait. Okay. Uh-oh. Gosh. There are more badges here. GSP monkey. Okay, come on, jump out. Jump. Okay, come on, follow me. Just go here. The gold digit trader will be there. The gold digit trader is the badge. The gold digit trader badge. If you stand here, you'll get the badge. If you stand on this goat, you'll get the badge. See, you got a badge. Say now, reset, bro. Reset. Click reset character. Click this reset character. Okay. Nice. Where are you? Oh. Okay, follow me. Click the sprint option and follow me. To go faster. Okay, follow me. I'm really. Where? Oh! I got not that side. Close. Sorry. Oh my gosh! Okay, follow me. Okay, follow me.
Hey, somebody's running.
Okay, now you got not the original skin. You got this. You got this. Why do you reset? That's not the TSP. Not the monkey. The goat is a traitor. You got goat is a traitor. Not there, not there, not there, not there, not there, not there. Here. You got this skin. Back of you.
Hey. Hey. Woo! Yeah.
Hey, right here.
Wow.
See? You got this skin. You got this skin. Come on, follow this goatee. Goat. Follow this goat.
Speed. Away. God.
The car will be slippery for you.
Oh, hurry, jogging.
Okay, now follow me. See, it's. Oh man, we are stuck, bro. You're gonna get trapped with me. Okay, let me. Wait, let me come. Okay. I got that skin. You see that horse right there? Yeah, I got that skin. Okay, let me talk to him. Hey. I'm in YouTube with Jago with Saba, bro. Hey, where are you going? Don't leave me, bro.
Sorry.
Okay. Reset. Let me also reset. Okay, I'm coming. I'm right here. Follow me. You did not get that TSP monkey. You got my skin. You got that goat. You got that goat skin. Bro. You got that goat skin. You got the goat skin.
Yes.
Come on.
Where you are going?
Yeah, I'm taking you to the goat. You see the goat is a traitor. Oh man, let me control you. Okay, I'm right. You got that skin. You got this skin. Oh, I'm really stuck. You're really stuck. There you go. You got that skin. Like this. I'm really frustrated. You're really stuck, bro. Let me help you. I'm trying. Let me take this. Okay. Now let me help you. I have a gun. Really, I have a gun. Let me help you with my gun. Wait. Okay, this is not really working. So I'm gonna get the retro skin. I'm gonna get the robo skin. Let me help you with the robo skin. Oh, you see it, Okay, let me come. You see a robo flip walking, that's me. You see a robo flip walking, that's me. Come on, follow the flipping robo. Not right here. Come on. Oh yeah. You want the monkey, huh? You want that monkey?
No.
Mom? Huh?
No.
It's a new TSP member. Okay, now go. Okay, follow me. Let me show you some more skins. You want the horse skin, huh? That the lighting will come right in the night. You saw the house, right? You want that skin?
Yes.
Okay, come on. Follow me to the map. Mall, man. Mall. Shooting some lasers. Okay. Shooting some lasers.
Hey.
Do you like it? Do you like this robot skin, huh?
Car.
Let me show you that horse skin.
Where are you?
There's one here. There's one. This is William Werewolf. This is one badge. If stand there, come on. Do like this. You'll get one badge. See, you got one badge.
Yes.
Now next badge. Next badge. There is 3. Where are you going, bro? Not that way. This way. Not. Take this. Take. Okay. Where are you, bro? Oh, there you are. Here. The robo is here. Come on. Follow the robo. Follow the robo. Okay, follow the robo. To the carnival. Come on. Her. Yeah, that's one badge. That's the Soul Stealer badge. The Dark Stitchy badge. Okay. Stand here. You'll get one badge. Did you get it?
Yes.
Another badge is here. In here. Jump. Jumping. Not that. This way. Yeah, Sabah, this way. Yep, this is one badge. Yep, another badge is here. The panda badge is one here. Come on, panda badge. You want the panda? Okay, follow the panda. Go here.
Wow.
Yeah, super. You see one panda right here.
Yes.
Go the back here, then you can glitch through. You can glitch through and you'll get the badge. See, you got one badge. Awesome. Okay, now let me. You can see some lasers. Let me give some lightnings. Come on, follow me.
Where?
Okay, you got some badges. Reset. Okay, reset. Let me reset too. Wait, you got reset. Okay, come on, follow me. Let me take you there. Let me take you there. Let me take you. I will take you and let me take you, bro. Okay, you got some. I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna end the video. Okay, let me come to you. You got some skins. Okay, here, follow me. You got the panda skin. Let me see where's the panda. Follow me. Here's the panda. Bro, not that. I got this robot doggy skin. Bro. This is a flying thing. Where are you going? You see one flying thing, right? You see one flying thing flying around. Follow that robo. Follow the robo. There's the robo. follow this robo. Okay, follow this robo. Follow the robo. Robo is taking you somewhere. Come on, follow robo. Follow robo. Follow the best robo ever. The superhero robo. Okay, you're here. Nowhere. Nowhere. Okay, you got the panda skin. You got a panda skin. Go to this panda. Go to the panda. Hey, this not that. No, not this. No, you got a panda skin. We will try this panda again and end the video, guys. Okay, now see this panda skin. Now see this panda skin. Okay, now. Do you like this panda skin? Do you like this panda skin? Now see. Yeah, if you click this, you'll turn back to normal. Okay? Do you like it?
Yeah.
And this is the next floor, second floor. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you all in the next video. Goodbye.